Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, 24th March. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options, open interest data for 25th March expiry contract. So the max pain level has shifted upwards from 14,700 to 14,800 levels. So as you all know that large percentage of options they expire worthless. So max pain level at 14,800 just tells us that if market was to expire on 25th March at 14,800 level, in that scenario 14,800 call and put buyers, there's a high probability that they are going to suffer large losses, as large percentage of options they expire worthless on expiry. If we analyze overall open interest data, you will see that highest amount of puts have been written at 14,500 strike and highest amount of calls have been written at 15,000 strike. So broadly, we're in a 500 point range of 15,000 to 14,500. And if you were to see what happened intraday today, you will see that highest amount of puts were written at 14,700 strike, followed by 14,600 strike. And you will also see that highest amount of calls were written at 14,900 strike, followed by 15,150 strike. And if you were to see the in the money calls, they saw their open interest reduce. 14,400, 14,500, 14,600, 14,700. These strikes saw their open interest reduce. So call option buyers they have booked their profits and call option writers they have booked their losses in these mentioned strikes. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers above 14,702 levels. However, you will see that this month is about to end and we are currently in previous monthly candle range. So we are forming an inside monthly candle right now. And if we see the weekly time frame, you will see that market is under control of buyers above 14,736 levels. And you will see again that this weekly candle is currently in the middle of previous weekly candle. So again, we are forming an inside week as of this moment. And if you see the daily time frame, so above 14,768, which was today's open, we had a situation of full time frame continuity at that point of time on the monthly and the weekly and the daily time frame. Market was under control of buyers on all the time frames above dailies open today, which was 14,768 levels. And if you see the price structure now, yesterday was an inside candle which is broken to the upside. So in terms of trend, we are forming an uptrend right now with first higher high and a higher low based on the daily price structure. And based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 14,814 levels, we can trade towards 14,878, 14,924 and potentially 14,982 levels. And below 14,729, we can trade towards 14,707, 14,661 and potentially 14,603 levels. And the neutral price range is 14,814 to 14,729, in which one can refrain from making any trades. As the daily time frame inside candle has broken to the upside, the most conservative trade is going to be to look for buying opportunities above 14,814. Now we are going to be discussing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen for tomorrow are NTPC, Cholafin, Orofarma, IndusInd Bank. And if we see NTPC, you will see that it has formed an inside candlestick. So above 110.3 level, we'll look for buying opportunity, and below 108, we'll look for selling opportunity in NTPC. And if we see larger time frame, so in terms on the monthly time frame, it is currently under control of seller below 100, 9.5 on the weekly time frame, again it is under control of seller below 108.8, and on the daily time frame we formed an inside candlestick. So all the multiple time frame openings are near about 110 level. So whichever direction it breaks, there is a chance for full time frame continuity in that direction. So we'll be looking out for a trade in NTPC either side of the range. Our second stock is Cholafin. It has formed an inside candlestick. Again, we'll look for buying opportunity above 574.9 level or selling opportunity below 556.4 levels. And if we see the monthly time frame, Chola Finance is under control of buyer on the monthly time frame. On the weekly time frame, again it is under control of buyers, and on the daily time frame we formed an inside candlestick. So the higher probability trade is going to be if we look for breakout to the upside above 574.9 levels. Our third stock is Oro Pharma. It's again an inside candlestick, so we'll look for buying opportunity above 848.6 level or selling opportunity below 830.4 levels. And if we see larger time frame, on the monthly time frame it is under control of seller below 855 monthly opening. On the weekly opening we are above the weekly open 830. So straight away there is conflict among monthly and the weekly time frame participants, and the daily time frame can be seen to form an inside candle, that is there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we look for breakout in either side of the range to establish position in Oro Pharma. Our final stock is IndusInd Bank. We'll look for buying opportunity above 994.5 or selling opportunity below 990 level. And if we see the monthly time frame, it is under control of seller. On the weekly time frame, again it is under control of seller. And if we see the daily time frame, we formed an inside candlestick. So the higher probability trade is going to be if this inside candle were to break to the downside. So we would be trading either side of the range. However, if it breaks to the downside, that would be a higher probability trade. Before ending this video, I like to summarize. Above 14,814, we can potentially trade towards 14,924 levels, and below 14,729 level, we can potentially trade towards 14,661 levels tomorrow. And broadly speaking, we're in a 500-point range on the index, and the max pain level for 25th March expiry contract is at 14,800 levels. And the stock watches that we have discussed comprises of IndusInd Bank, Oro Pharma, Chola Finance and NTPC. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel for daily videos where we discuss what is likely to happen in the Indian stock markets. Thank you for watching.